Hey guys, today we're going to be making such an easy dinner, chicken and potatoes. It is very easy, very fast. It takes almost no time to put it together. The oven does most of the work for you, so let's get started. So all you need for that is potatoes, some chicken. Make sure you keep the skin on whatever part of chicken you use. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you keep the skin on because otherwise it will be too dry. I have some oregano, parsley, granulated garlic, granulated onion, paprika, turmeric, salt, pepper, some olive oil. Honestly, you can use whatever spices you would like. If you have fresh onion, fresh garlic, fresh parsley, whatever it is, any taste you'd like, but this is fast and easy, delicious. So all I do is I cut the potatoes lengthwise into fours. Like this, just into fours because it's easy. I'm gonna finish doing that and then we'll continue on to the chicken. Okay, so we have all the potatoes, just enough to cover the bottom, or you can put more. You can make this as big of a dish or as little as you would like. Now I'm gonna also put the chicken right here because I'm gonna mix it all together. Then I'm gonna sprinkle on all the spices. Onions and garlic, herbs, fresh herbs would be nice too. And I'm trying not to use my chicken hand. Some salt, enough salt. Make sure you put enough salt because potatoes take a lot of salt. And some black pepper. If you want some heat, you can add some cayenne pepper, chili powder, whatever you would like. Then we add some olive oil and you mix it all in. Alright, I mixed it all in. I'm arranging the chicken back on top of the potatoes because when it cooks, bakes, the juices from the chicken will go down and kind of flavor the potatoes at the same time. So I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. And I bake it just until the potatoes are done. It takes anywhere from 45 minutes to about an hour. But just check your potatoes. If the chicken is getting too brown, just cover it with foil.
This is so delicious. Don't drop them. And give a thumbs up and click the button down below.